Hello, welcome to St. Cloud Smash Brainstorm number 15. I am Zulo, and I'm here with
Two Freaks.
and we are here with our match between Old Tones and Mel. This is going to be a good matchup. It's a qualifying matchup between these two. It's going to be real nice, and they're about to start off. And they have graciously picked Pokemon Seeds.
As we go over to the...
Ivan,
Who let Mel put his tag in his suck?
Ivan, check on us. Make sure we have all our ducks
Back.
in.
Who let Mel put his tag in his suck? Don't do that. Let's change it to Mel.
Why?
The first rule of Mel is don't let him put his tag in his anal. Don't let him put his tag in his sucks. Come on, guys.
Alright, got you. I got you. And so they're playing on PlayStation Station.
Wow.
Oh god.
Smash is on PlayStation now. You're pretty good.
Yeah, they did that. It's called PlayStation All Stars All Around. But they picked Pokemon Stadium 2. I feel like the matchup is basically Kindling Hookshot. Lucy. That's basically. I feel like that's kind of the matchup here. And Lucy is going to avoid the bomb pretty easily. And Kindling sort of forces him into a position where he has to say, "All right, you have to go this way, but you'll get boomerang, good bomb, or hook, or hook." I feel like that's sort of the matchup.
What's weird? Honestly, it's been a while since I had...
And Frosty fact, my commentary partner won Evo 2019 for Smash Bros.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And going to those tournaments, it's just
So, what are your thoughts on this game?
Well, I feel like Tone's here. He has a really good chance to...
Oh my fucking god!
Dude! He has a really good chance to do that! You see, I'm very good at thinking kind of what's coming next.
It's gonna go what?
It's gonna go all in the direction.
It's gonna work?
It's totally gonna work.
It's gonna work? It's gonna work.
Of course, I am biased. I have to. The scene here is.
Yeah. All tones have a lot. Link not sure what to do. You hope that's the dash dancing, but the dash dancing, but nervously. Oh, ooh, ooh, oh. Jeez. That was a very uneventful series. Yeah.
Always ending up a little bit.
I remember once I broke Solomon's microphone because I yelled Solomon while he was
I know I'm nervous here.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I know what I'm doing. I've done this a lot before. I think it's just that I'm not quite sure. Whoa! Alright, nice F smash. Push it off. Mel 2 stocking Old Tones. Pretty solid.
The future is not written.
And now we're going on game 2. Wait, his name isn't Brandon. Shit.
Start the battle! King TDD Phenom!
And now they're going with now Tom's going with King DD. And Mel is going to battle. The matchup, I mean with King DD, it's mostly just about can your Gordo be annoying? That's basically the matchup. Did he just do that?
Trying to go for should be saying
And keep in mind that Ultron is a tall character. Look at this shield break. I'm gonna control it. Absolute goodness. This is pretty cute. Ulton's trying to go for some sort of strategy that I'm not quite aware of. I'm not familiar with DDD, so I'm not quite sure what he's trying to do on ledge. What is he trying to do?
whoa. It seemed like you were trying to
Absolute destruction. Like, he does not tech those. He does not tech those. And we have another commentator with us today. What's your name? James. Yeah, and we're commentating on the match between Mel and Ultones. Ultones picking DDD and Mel picking Regina. Yeah. How do you feel about just the general? How do you feel about what Ultones do?
Oh, you have up smash video on it?
Yeah. And I feel
that.
oh, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely right. But, ooh, nice back there. It's funny. He baits with the counter and then hits him with the forward.
Yeah,
Good.
no problem.
Kirby, right back at you. Oh, tried to roll out of it. Just didn't make it.
I was gonna say, if you see a really big one of well, this one could be actually the smaller nerds for not the stage.
Pineapple, yeah. No, yeah, Ultones, I believe, is the only DDD name in the area, which is interesting because, like, but you're a DDD as well. No way, that's awesome. Hey, that's cool too. Carries the Gordo. I'm not quite, this is very easy right now. They're just trying to go, they're just trying to wait for the other ones to just really go up, because they're all basically baiting them.
I think he is down. Seems like what?
Yes. Yeah, I know. Now Ultone needs to secure this.
Yeah.
Ooh. Forward air. Oh, and that's game. Yeah. Mel taking this set to 2-0. Moving on
I
to
won.
yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Zulo. I'm here with James.
Hello. Goodbye.
And Turu Freaks. And we'll be back with more soon.